So this time from kind of my point of view, I'm going to just show you sort of how we run cables from the rear of the combine. Adam here, who handles all our global service and support and works on product hardware, is going to sort of just show you as we move along. So we want to make sure we really try to keep cables tucked away as much as possible, but sometimes you do need a little bit of extra length so that you can move the camera as needed. And then once you find a good position, tuck it away. But we just kind of follow the existing electrical lines, follow everything up, tuck it away nice and neat, comes up in through here. Everything is strapped all the way along. Every couple of inches we strap it down. We'll just come around here. And once we've weaved it all through, probably hard to find our cable, but it just follows everything. It goes all the way up to where we enter into the cab.